Why does a tablet that costs just a few rupees to manufacture sell for hundreds at the pharmacy? Is it greed? Is it inefficiency? Or is the pharmaceutical supply chain far more complex than we think? In this video, you'll understand how the pharmaceutical supply chain works end to end. Every stage where cost gets added. Why compliance, quality, and risk drive prices up. And a simple cost build-up example from factory to patient. Let's start. Step 1. Raw material and API sourcing. Before a tablet exists, we need active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. What happens here? APIs are sourced globally, often China, India, Europe. High purity standards, supplier audits and regulatory approvals, long qualification cycles. Cost addition, API cost, import duties, quality testing, inventory holding, long lead times. Cost impact, manufacturing cost increases from $1 to $2.50 per strip. Why? Because pharma cannot use the cheapest supplier, only compliant suppliers. Step 2. Formulation and manufacturing. Now the tablet is manufactured. What happens here? Controlled environments, clean rooms, GMP-certified facilities, skilled labor, batch testing, yield losses, equipment validation, cost drivers, high capital investment, regulatory audits, low tolerance for errors. Cost impact, $2.50 to $5 per strip. In pharma, rework is not an option, failed batches are destroyed. Step 3. Quality control and regulatory compliance. This is where pharma differs drastically from FMCG. What happens here? Stability testing, bioequivalence studies, documentation, regulatory submissions, lot release approvals, cost drivers, labs and scientists, long testing timelines, compliance systems, risk of rejection. Cost impact, $5 to $8 per strip. Compliance doesn't add volume, it adds assurance. Step 4. Packaging and serialization. Now the medicine is packaged. What happens here? Blister packaging, tamper-proof seals, barcodes and serialization, anti-counterfeit, regulatory labeling, cost drivers, specialized packaging material, printing compliance, traceability systems. Cost impact, $8 to $10 per strip. Packaging in pharma is a security feature, not just marketing. Step 5. Pharma logistics and cold chain. Medicines now move through specialized logistics. What happens here? Temperature-controlled transport, GDP-compliant warehouses, monitoring and sensors, insurance, cost drivers, cold chain infrastructure, low tolerance for delays, product spoilage risk. Cost impact, $10 to $13 per strip. A single temperature excursion can destroy an entire shipment. Step 6. Distributors and stockists. Medicines don't go directly to pharmacies. What happens here? National distributors, regional stockists, inventory buffering, credit terms, cost drivers, inventory carrying cost, expiry risk, financing cost, margins. Cost impact, $13 to $17 per strip. Distributors absorb risk, and risk always has a price. Step 7. Pharmacy or hospital margin. Now the medicine reaches the point of sale. What happens here? Storage, pharmacist counseling, local taxes, retail margins, cost drivers, retail overheads, short shelf life, regulatory compliance. Cost impact, $17 to $25 per strip. Final cost breakdown summary. Let's recap the journey. Manufacturing, $1. API and raw materials, $2.50. Manufacturing process, $5. Quality and compliance, $8. Packaging, $10. Logistics, $13. Distribution, $17. Retail price, $25. $1 to $25. Not because of one massive markup, but because of layered cost, risk, and regulation. Why pharma costs are hard to reduce. Unlike other industries, you can't skip quality, you can't rush compliance, you can't compromise safety, you can't easily change suppliers. The pharma supply chain is designed to minimize patient risk, not cost. Conclusion. Medicines are expensive not because they're simple, but because they are one of the most regulated supply chains in the world. Every rupee added buys safety, reliability, compliance, trust. And in healthcare, trust is non-negotiable. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, subscribe for deep supply chain insights, comment which stage surprised you the most. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.